This home around the rocky landscape at the foot of Camelback Mountain, originally built in the 1960s, Brandaw at Echo Canyon, has been thoroughly renovated with the aim to capture the grandeur of the surroundings and create various spatial experience for the visitor. The exterior of the home was recoated with white stucco, and the forms were simplified with creating consistent orthogonal angles and lines on the parapet. In this home, the journey begins elevated through the custom fabricated steel portals, and then through the concrete path and ironwood trees. Key stopping moments pop up offering endless views to the landscape. The entrance to the home is at the intersection of both wings, which now is highlighted by a yellow steel portal. The home is V-shaped in plan, with two wings that meet at a central living room. Inside, there's a dramatic fireplace that creates a separation from the entrance and the living room beyond. The large windows maximize the views to the outdoors, helping to connect the interior living spaces to the backyard. The wings of the home contain 4 bedrooms and other private areas, with the primary bedroom enjoying its own wing for additional privacy. These areas received a lighter touch but were still updated with new flooring, finishes, and simplified windows that give the residents a cohesive feel. Here's a look at the plan. Central to the program was pulling the home's original footprint back from the property line, raising the roofline, and installing an 18-foot tall by a 36-foot wide glass wall and sliding door to maximize backyard views.